In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a channel name in Slack. This is a straightforward process, but following these steps will ensure it goes smoothly and all team members stay informed about the change. First, you'll need to open Slack on your desktop or web browser. While you can access Slack on mobile, it's easiest to rename a channel using the desktop or web version. Once you've launched Slack, navigate to the workspace that contains the channel you want to rename. This is important because each workspace can contain numerous channels, and it's crucial to be in the right environment where your desired channel lives. Now, with your Slack workspace open, let's move on to selecting the channel. In the left-hand sidebar, which lists all your channels, scroll through and click on the channel name you intend to rename. Clicking on the channel name will open up a panel on the right-hand side of your screen known as the Channel Details panel. It's a small but important step that paves the way for accessing the necessary settings. Next, let's dive into those settings. With the Channel Details panel open, look for the More button, represented by 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the panel. Clicking this button will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Edit Channel Details. This selection will allow you to proceed to the section where you can modify the channel name. Now you're ready to rename the channel. You'll find a field labeled Channel Name. Here, type in the new name for your channel. As you consider what to name it, keep in mind that Slack requires all channel names to be in lowercase, void of spaces, but using hyphens is perfectly alright. This helps maintain a consistent and clean structure for all your channel names. Once you've decided on the new name and typed it in, look for the Save Changes button, usually at the bottom of the window, and click it. This action finalizes the renaming process, applying your new channel name immediately. Finally, let's cover the importance of notifying your team. Once the name change is enacted, Slack automatically posts a notification in the channel informing members of this update. It's a great practice, however, to send out a custom message explaining the reason behind the change, ensuring transparency and clarity among your team members, fostering better communication. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed a Slack channel and kept your team in the loop. By following these steps, you can maintain an organized workspace and ensure everyone stays informed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials.